Take a look at this Lincoln, just in Unique Specialty and Classics. 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan Town Sedan. Of course, the Town Sedan had this rear fastback styling. As you can see, the rear suicide doors. Now, this car I would consider running, driving project. We'll fire it up, runs smooth, but obviously needs a little TLC, and there's some extra parts and what have you that come with it around to the rear of this car. When we get there, I'll show you that. Of course, 49 was the first post-war year that the Lincoln models came out. Now, this particular car powered by a 337 cubic inch flathead V8 in it. I believe it would have been the first year that Lincoln had a V8 powered car. And this particular one does have an automatic transmission in it, which actually would be a hydromatic automatic transmission, which is an option at extra cost. And Lincoln actually procured them from General Motors, their arch rival, of course, and put them into their cars because Ford/Lincoln hadn't come up with an automatic transmission quite yet in 1949. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the underside, the interior, trunk, check out the still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, when we reached at 507-386-1726, you notice it has kind of the inset headlights, and I believe the taillights were like that too, kind of the Frenched in look. Came around later when hot rodders were doing customs. And again, the rear suicide doors. Fender skirts, writing on the wide whites. So it would have been Lincoln's highest end model, or Ford's highest end model for that matter. And here again, here's your rear taillights, kind of with that inset, Frenched in look. All right, as far as some of the extra parts, we have some door panels or door cards back here. Distributor. There's that headlight insert. But miscellaneous spare parts, and I do have still pictures of those also. All right, let's take a look up and down the driver's side here. Fender skirt on this side also. I believe this was originally a green on green car. Let's go ahead and I do have pictures underneath that little carpeting piece and everything too in the still pictures. But still retaining pretty much the stock dash and a lot of stock original interior. The power windows would have been standard on the Lincoln Cosmopolitans, and it was kind of like a hydraulic lift system for the windows. Let's go ahead and start this up. I click the key on and go ahead, push button start right down here. See how easily the car starts, how smooth it runs. Radio has lit up for me, but I've not heard that working or had that work. But yeah, just kind of that Art Deco styling. Back in the late 40s, early 50s. Real cool look. This car restored. Very interesting, cool cars. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, and we're going to pop this hood. I want to show you that engine bay, and we'll check out that flathead V8. Alright, there we go. Got the hood popped. There's a 337 cubic inch flathead V8 engine. You can see it here, smooth runner. 1.6 volt. So there you have it. Looking for a running driving project, or maybe just spruce her up a little bit and drive it the way it is. Here you go, 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan town car. Fastback look, town sedan I should say, excuse me. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Still pictures, website uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on it. That's going to take you right to us. Check out the pictures on our website that way. And remember, we can always assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. So give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.